Hello again. I will show you in this video how to make a buzzsaw. This is another toy that early settlers would make themselves from materials that they found in nature or from things that they had around the house, because like we said before, there were no stores for kids to just go and buy toys. They had to invent games themselves. They had to make the toys themselves. This is what a buzzsaw looks like. There's the round wooden piece that's strung through the yarn. This little bit here on the end, these are just my extra string pieces after I tied the knot. So this is how you use it. I like to string it around my index finger, pinch it, and you just wrap it up a few times and start pulling. And as you can see, it makes this cool sort of buzzing sound like it was on a saw. What you need to make this is the round wooden piece with 2 holes drilled through it, and you should have a piece of string that's been dipped in wax on one end. And the wax is just so you can get the string through the hole without it shredding. So this one's very simple. All you do is take this wooden piece and the string, push it right through one of those holes, and then right back through the opposite. So you should have a loop on one end and then the 2 string ends on the other. Get those 2 pieces of string about even and just put a simple knot in there. It doesn't need to be anything fancy, just to keep it from falling apart on you as you're pulling it. The wax does not need to stay on the strings. You can either trim those ends off or scratch the wax off with your fingernails. So I've got a simple knot tied on mine. And you can see there's a loop on the other end here. To get this to work, you'll want to keep the piece of wood just about in the middle. I like to string it onto my index fingers and just pinch. Pinching it, make sure you don't drop it when you're pulling it. So wind it up a little bit and then start pulling. These are a little tricky for as simple as a toy. It takes practice, but I know you guys can do it. There it goes. Thanks for watching.